Hello, and welcome to the Opportunity Assessment Project for the team Movemkr. Our project is about a platform that helps find property, list property, and get additional services related to that. So basically, the idea is that the property listing research is a tool that uses geolocation and augmented reality. Clients want to sell or rent the properties, register and list their properties there, and ones who look for it obviously visit the website and use the app. And business clients advertise for a fee, and service operates as a freemium, and users pay for enhanced features. And there's a white label solution to be offered to real estate companies who wish to integrate the platform into their own systems. The concept itself is quite interesting. You can look around the property, you look around the neighborhood, for example, using a smartphone, you point to the building that you like, and the app will show you with augmented reality and geolocation assistance what's available in the area, what's available maybe in that particular building, and with a click you can see the property inside and the additional data that comes from the listing, floor plans, contact details, mortgage financing options from selected providers, etc., etc. Also, let's look at the market size. We are a European project. We are starting from the Baltic states and into the United Kingdom, and we're just looking at the UK market for real estate. That's where we got the data from HMRC for 2014. That's 1.3 million property transactions during the year, with a total value of 417 billion pounds, which is about 609 billion US dollars. So there are over 2,500 registered property agents in the country, and basically the market is huge. And as from the feedback I've received, that there are opportunities in it. Here's the low fidelity prototype at www.movemkr.co.uk. Looking at the testing of the value proposition to customers, we've done a survey with SurveyMonkey, and people have been really helpful to actually give some answers to the basic questions. There was 20 interviews with various people. The interviews were mostly done on phone video because of geography of the respondents. So, there are points that we take on board. There are different needs for different markets in terms of searching patterns, role of agencies and firms within the market, how the actual transactions are done, and communication issues like languages and cultural issues. There are different attitudes to paying for the service. Some people from some countries are more concentrated on price, some are concentrated on the value that you get from it. So it was quite interesting to find out. And that's the food for thought, the roadmap for changes to the concept. We discovered that yes, there is a problem that many property listings have confusing information, floor plans, photos, location, and so on. It's quite difficult to compare like with like. Secondly, there is a need for a better listing solution. It's evident that the customers would be ready to pay to use the service, given how frustrating and stressful it is to look for property. Based on the testing of the model, there are changes to the concept that we'll take. Thank you very much for the feedback, for the consultations that we've had with the respondents. The idea is workable, has right to live. We will be considering offering the model as B2B, as white label to the property agents. This is something that we haven't considered before, so this is that's a new thing, and we're really excited about it. So we will be developing the floor plan builder. So that's a nice utility within the utility, so that people can compare that, and the possibility to broaden the spectrum of services, because people also recommended that not from pure real estate to on-demand concierge, which routinely take into consideration that, and also continue work on usability, localization, and pay attention to the country differences and the culture differences. So thank you very much for the time, and we'd like to also thank Stanford and NovoEd for such a wonderful program. So good luck and all the best.